Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start the wildlife of the India. So the flora we have discussed, India is also the rich in its fauna. It has approximately 90,000 of animal species. The country has about 20,000 species of birds itself. They constitute 13% of the world's total. There are 2,546 species of fishes, which account for nearly 12% of the world's stock. And they are also having a 5 and 8% of the world's amphibians and reptiles and mammals. Now here you can see the elephants. Here you can see the elephants. Now something about elephants, that elephants are the most majestic animals among them all mammals. They are found in the hot wet forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One horned rhinoceros. Here you can see these are the rhinoceros. These are the rhinoceros and these were our elephants. Then one-horned rhinoceros are the other animals which live in the swampy and the marshy areas, lands of Assam and West Bengal. Arid areas of Run of Kutch and the Thar of Desert habitats are the habitats of this wild ass, camels, Indian bison, nilgai. Now, other respectively, they are also found in other animals are also found in this areas. Now, do you know that for which Gir forest is the most common? Gir forest is common for only for your animals like lions and tigers. It is the natural habitat where tigers and lion both are found in India, and that Gir forest is in Gujarat, which is in India itself. और कहीं नहीं मिलता है ये. वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट भी 1972 में इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ था इंडिया में. द नेचुरल हैबिtat ऑफ इंडियन लायन इज द गिर फॉरेस्ट इन गुजरात. टाइगर्स आर फाउंड इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, सुंदरबंस ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल एंड द हिमालयन रीजन्स. Leopard too are the members of the cat family. They are important among animals of prey. The Himalayas. Here, the Himalayan animals we are talking about now. The Himalayas harbor a hardy range of the animals which survive in extreme cold. Ladakh freezing high altitudes are a home to yak, the shaggy horned wild horse weighing around 1 ton, the Tibetan antelope, the bharal, which is blue sheep, the wild sheep, and the kyang, and the which is wild ass, the Tibetan wild ass. Furthermore, the bear, snow leopard, and the rare red panda found in the certain pockets. In the rivers, now here in the rivers, lakes, coastal areas, turtles and crocodiles are found. Yes, turtles and crocodiles and gharials are found over here. This was all about the animals. Now something about the bird life also. So this is the bird life. See those cute birds. This is the different type of birds life. Bird life in India is very colorful. For example, peacock, ducks, pheasants, parakeets, cranes, pigeons, migratory birds like Siberian crane, others. Then, but we also do hunting of the animals. And now something about the hunting. Every species has a role and the play in the ecosystem. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Hence, conservation is essential, as has been mentioned earlier. Due to the excessive explosion of plants and animal resources by human beings, the ecosystem has been disturbed. About 1300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct. Quite a few animal species are also endangered, as some have become extinct also. The main cause of this major threat to nature are hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purpose, pollution due to the chemical industrial waste, acid deposits, introduction to alien species, and reckless cutting to the forest to bring land under cultivation and habitation are also responsible for the imbalance. To protect flora and fauna, This is a newspaper cutting by the government to save different animals, like here you can see the tiger, rhino. Then to protect flora, fauna, the government has also taken many steps. There are 18 biosphere reserves also. For example, Sundarbans, Nilgiri, and they are set up to protect the flora and fauna of a country. There are many migratory birds also. Something about migratory birds, that some of the wetlands of India are popular with migratory birds during winter. Birds such as Siberian crane come in large numbers. One such place favorable with birds is the Run of Kutch. At the place where desert merges with sea, flamingo with their brilliant pink plumage came in thousands to build nest mounds from the salty mud and raise their young ones. It is once among many extraordinary sights in the country. It is not a rich natural heritage of ours. Now this is a map for different 18 biosphere reserves. There are other also steps to protect flora and fauna of our country by the government, which is taken. Now here we have just read about the 18 biosphere reserves in country. There are also financial and technical assistance and provided to the botanical gardens by the government since 1992. Run of Kutch, cold deserts, Seshachalam, Panna, these are the different botanical gardens. Then we all know that Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Busters, others were the eco development projects that have been introduced by the government. There are 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries, and zoological gardens are set up to take care of the natural heritage. Now at last we have completed this chapter. All of us must realize the importance of the natural ecosystem for our own survival. It is possible if indiscriminate description of natural environment is put to an immediate end. And thus this chapter is also ended with this. Please do and watch all the videos of my YouTube channel. It's a very easy explanation and nice explanation. Thank you.